Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making butter slime. These are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need clay, specifically Daiso clay, a spoon, a bowl, activator, and glue.
3.
First up, you have to pick your glue. I will pick pink. That's hard.
Take it as much as you can in there, buddy.
It's like farting.
Okay, that looks good. Look at those bubbles.
That's not good for clear slime.
3.
Next up, we activate it. Add 1 spoonful at a time.
Now mix. Now mix. Addie, now mix.
Okay, now mix. I've made butter slime once, and we kind of needed a little more activator. Now it's time for clay. Now we add the clay.
Ooh, nice. Real pretty. Okay, mix her on in.
So this is the final product of butter slime. It
Nice.
so cute.
Oh, so buttery. Oh, so
Ew,
nice.
You're kind of scaring me.
3.
Before you exit out, make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications, and like the video.